Hi, everybody, and welcome to Know What You're Talking About, Module 1, DQ2. Our second DQ, it turns out, also deals with the difference between absolute advantage and comparative advantage. We just went over that in DQ1. What does that tell you? The answer is not that the instructor ran out of ideas and so is just repeating. Not true, not true, not true. The answer is this is a critically important concept, and it's very important that you fully understand the difference between these two ideas. So let's look at them again. As you will recall, when we looked at DQ1, both of these ideas are discussed at length in Chapter 3 of our textbook, and our textbook is found over here in MindTap. Let me move my deal here. MindTap, and I'm in topic 1, and I'm going to go to the interactive textbook once again, and I'm going to wait patiently while it loads. And there we are, and we're back in 3.2a, absolute advantage. You will recall from when we did this in DQ1 that as you look at this section, when you click on absolute advantage, the word in bold, that it gives you the definition. And the definition is the ability to produce a good using fewer inputs than another producer. Now, once you've read that definition, that is a really good starting point. But is that the whole deal? Oh, no, no, no. You should read this entire section and read it very carefully to make sure that you understand what's going on. In fact, I would recommend that you read the entire textbook and use all the interactive features that are available there to be sure that you get all the value that's available to you. So absolute advantage, the ability to produce a good using fewer inputs than another producer. So then we go to section 3.2b, and we find, first of all, opportunity cost discussed. Why is opportunity cost discussed first? Because opportunity cost determines who has comparative advantage. So opportunity cost, it turns out, is whatever must be given up to obtain some other item. So in other words, it's what you give up for the choice you make. And then finally, as we scroll down again, we come to comparative advantage down here. And comparative advantage is the ability to produce a good at a lower opportunity cost than another producer. So we know what opportunity cost is, we know what comparative advantage is, and we know what absolute advantage is. Are we ready to go? Let's look at our DQ rubric. It's right here. The DQ2 rubric says 1, explain absolute advantage. We got that. 2, explain comparative advantage. We got that. So I would say that we're ready to answer this question. Now, when you answer this question, will that be the end of it? Oh, no. I will respond to you and I will ask you more in-depth questions about these concepts. And so be looking for my responses to your DQ answers. And I look forward to reading your DQ answers. Thanks so much.